Hi, what's your name?
My name is Ethan. Nice to meet you.
Where are you from?
I'm from Canada. How about you?
How are you today?
I'm doing great, thank you.
How old are you?
I'm 26 years old.
What do you do?
I'm a teacher. I love my job.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak English every day.
What languages do you know?
I know English and a little Spanish.
Can you say that again?
Sure, I said nice to meet you.
Where do you live now?
I live in a small apartment downtown.
See you tomorrow.
Have a great day. Goodbye.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 in the morning.
Do you eat breakfast every day?
Yes, I always eat breakfast.
How do you go to work?
I take the bus to work.
What time do you have lunch?
I have lunch at 12:30.
When do you finish work?
I finish work at 5 o'clock.
What do you do after work?
I go home and cook dinner.
Do you watch TV at night?
Yes, I watch a little TV.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 11.
How many hours do you sleep?
I sleep about 7 hours.
Do you exercise every day?
I exercise 3 times a week.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
Do you like coffee or tea?
I prefer coffee in the morning.
How often do you cook?
I cook almost every evening.
What did you eat for breakfast?
I ate eggs and toast today.
Are you hungry right now?
Yes, I'm a little hungry.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I love spicy food.
What do you drink with dinner?
I usually drink water with dinner.
Can you cook well?
I can cook a few simple dishes.
Do you eat fast food?
Sometimes, but not very often.
What's your favorite restaurant?
It's a small Italian place nearby.
How many people are in your family?
There are 4 people in my family.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one younger sister.
What does your father do?
My father is a doctor.
Where does your mother live?
My mother lives in the same city.
Are you married?
No, I'm single right now.
Do you have any kids?
No, I don't have any kids yet.
Do you live with your family?
No, I live alone now.
How often do you see them?
I see my family every weekend.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a small dog.
What's your pet's name?
His name is Charlie. He's so cute.
Are you a student?
No, I work full time.
What did you study in school?
I studied math and English.
Did you go to university?
Yes, I went to a small university.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I really enjoy it.
How long have you worked there?
I've worked there for 3 years.
Is your job difficult?
Sometimes, but I learn a lot.
Do you work on weekends?
No, I have weekends off.
What do you want to be?
I want to be a manager one day.
Are you busy this week?
Yes, I have many meetings.
When is your next day off?
My next day off is Saturday.
What do you do for fun?
I read books and play guitar.
Do you watch movies?
Yes, I watch one every week.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop and rock music.
Do you play any sports?
I play soccer on Sundays.
Can you play an instrument?
Yes, I play the guitar.
Do you read a lot?
Yes, I love reading stories.
What's your favorite book?
My favorite book is The Alchemist.
Do you like video games?
Yes, I play them at night.
Do you have any hobbies?
I love cooking and traveling.
What do you do on Sundays?
I relax at home with friends.
How is the weather today?
It's sunny and warm.
Do you like cold weather?
No, I prefer warm weather.
What's your favorite season?
My favorite season is spring.
Does it rain a lot here?
Yes, especially in April.
Is it snowing outside?
No, it's just a little cloudy.
Do you like the summer?
Yes, I love going to the beach.
What do you wear in winter?
I wear a thick coat and boots.
Is it hot today?
Yes, it's very hot. Drink water.
Do you like windy days?
No, the wind makes me cold.
Is it going to rain tomorrow?
Yes, the forecast says so.
Have you ever traveled abroad?
Yes, I've been to many countries.
What's your favorite country?
I really love Italy.
Do you travel often?
I travel about twice a year.
How do you usually travel?
I prefer flying. It's faster.
Where do you want to go next?
I want to visit Japan.
Excuse me, where is the bank?
Go straight, then turn right.
How far is the train station?
It's about 10 minutes walking.
Is there a hotel nearby?
Yes, there's one on this street.
Can I walk there?
Yes, it's very close.
Where's the bathroom, please?
It's right behind you.
How much does this cost?
It costs $20.
Do you accept credit cards?
Yes, we accept all cards.
Can I get a discount?
Sorry, the price is fixed.
Where can I buy a gift?
There's a nice shop downtown.
Is this on sale?
Yes, it's 20% off.
Can I try it on?
Sure, the fitting room is there.
Do you have this in blue?
Yes, let me check for you.
How much money do you have?
I have about $50.
Can I pay with cash?
Yes, cash works fine.
Do you take my size?
Yes, we have your size.
How are you feeling?
I'm feeling really happy today.
Why do you look tired?
I didn't sleep well last night.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm just a little stressed.
What makes you happy?
Good music makes me happy.
Do you like your new home?
Yes, I love it.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Why do you like it?
Blue looks calm and peaceful.
Do you believe in luck?
Yes, sometimes I do.
What are you afraid of?
I'm afraid of heights.
Thank you for chatting with me.
My pleasure. See you next time.